The crypto world is filled with opportunities, but those opportunities come with risk. Scammers are constantly changing tactics, and they are everywhere. Be skeptical of any message claiming guaranteed profits, fast returns, or limited time offers. Feeling pressured to act quickly is a major red flag. Don't share your keys or seed phrase with anyone. No legitimate platform will ask for them, and if anyone does, they're trying to steal your assets. Phishing sites typically look a lot like the real deal, so verify URLs and use bookmarks or manually enter the addresses of trusted sites. Clicking on random links from emails, text messages, or DMs is usually a bad idea. Even if they look legit, it only takes one wrong click to lose everything. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Crypto doesn't offer shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes. It offers opportunities, and those come with risks. But if you're cautious and stay informed, you can protect what you've earned. Smart investors protect their assets but don't chase hype. So, remember, your crypto is only as safe as the steps you take to secure it. Be proactive and alert so you don't lose it all to a scam.